So like I said today, we've got a very bad day. It is literally like 11:20, like in the evening, like night, and it's just a giant, there's a massive storm. I know you can't see it, but audio might not be great. See it. Like the umbrellas like this, and it like we've had to flip everything over. Stuff from the balcony over there. This is mental, guys. There's a guy going out. Yeah, so we are at the holiday villa, and we'll get a room booked very soon. But then when, and there are 5 days left of the holiday. And yes, so guys, there are 5 days left. So we're counting down these last 5 days, and then I'm telling you stuff that we haven't done on camera. I haven't done on camera, or not. But anyway. It's been a fabulous holiday. We've had a few storms, and this is probably one of the worst ones we've had. Like, I've been to Ibiza 3 times, and this is probably the worst one out of 3. And I've had like 5 over the 3 years. Over the 3 years I've been here. So, just a funny moment. Now you can't see it, but I can see it. That there's a caution wet floor sign just next to that pole, which is very funny because it's literally because these are swim up rooms. And there's like a caution wet floor sign by the pool. I think it's very funny. Also, you've got the infinity bar, because if that's all that there is an and there is a U-boat out there, which is very choppy. There's a member of staff there, you can see with his torch. He is talking to himself. Side of life. There is some sort of bar and umbrellas flying everywhere. He's literally putting the umbrellas back literally down underneath the sunbed so they don't blow away, because there is a True Blue hotel next door. That would be extremely funny if one of our holiday villa umbrellas went in their hotel, or one of their umbrellas landed in our hotel. That would be very funny. Very confusing but very funny. There's also a water park here which I'll discreetly get footage of. I'll try to in the next 5 days, plus lack of videos, but been having a good time, and there's only 2 devices allowed on the internet, so these videos will be out by the time I'm at home. So at ATR, which is at time of recording in Ibiza, but these will come out when I'm back in the UK in 5 days time. So it's gonna. Trying to get to 10 minutes, and I need a viral video, please. I need the 4,000 hours. I need the subscribers. I need money, basically. So there's some people down there having general chit chat. So my family's balconies are actually these here. These 2 here. There's 2 balconies. So if you see here, there are 2 balconies and then a wall. So if that balcony, the balcony behind that, or that behind that was it's my room, then these 2 are my family's, but they're on the other side of this wall. They're on the other side of that wall, on their balconies. So I'm currently stood on the so do this, and then there's more up there. It is crazy, man. And there is a lighthouse just right over there. And we did fly out on the 7th, and we did actually fly out on the 17th of March from Manchester, and that actually, I'll just tell you a quick view of the flight path what happened. So we left Manchester, and then we taxied south side of the airfield, and took off heading north towards Manchester, but we did a right hand turn to points in the direction of Sheffield, and then we just came straight down over the Pennines, and then that brought us over the White Coast, over London, over the White Coast, over Calais, and then we flipped round, did a nice left-hand turn which pointed us onto the French Alps, before sending us into the Mediterranean Sea, and before we came over this hotel, we went back out to sea that way, flipping round, doing a 180 degree spin, and back into the airport, which is just over that way somewhere, and yeah, so it was a brand new plane. This plane was its first inaugural service, after the incident. Everyone knows what happened with the Max. So this is the first flight on this plane which happened after the groundment of the Max. Yeah, so planes also get grounded as well if they're naughty. So yeah, there's a bar, there's a swimming pool, but there's basically everything. And so that is just some side of the room, and there's my brother on video there, just wave to them. They won't wave back, but yeah. So it's very, very windy. You can literally just see the pool moving. And like, if you look over there, like, if I just point you, like, if I had like a torch with me, I would use it to show you. And I have actually got my horse at the process, so I am trying to, like, got stuff on it to try and stop it from doing, but ain't working. It kills. Anyway, so if anything funny happens, I'll just keep it cut. I'll just kind of keep the cameras going and just commentate and see if anything else happens. Because the infinity pool is literally like this, and I really want a sunbed to land in the swimming pool. I really want that to happen. So that'll be so funny, and it'll be funny on the video. And literally, if I literally wrap my hand out here, you can literally see it that the wind's pushing it. I'm not moving it. The wind's pushing it that way. The wind's coming this way. There's my wristband. If you're interested, see you in the hotels. Progress. There you go. Yeah, so guys, please whack that like button, whack that subscribe button, and let's just keep rolling. You want to see a foot? There you go. Nice thumbnail shot. Like, oh my god, look at these trees here. They're literally blind. And yeah, so too, we do have different hotels to serve different parts of the holiday village. Is the perfect one for teens, because you do have like aerial adventures, which is basically Go Ape, which is Go Ape, and so you basically do stuff at Go Ape apart from, and then it's so fun. I'll see if I can try and get a little bit of footage of that. That's it, you know what I mean. And you've got stuff like archery, which is another fan fave, which is another good one. You can sort of hear everything that's happening. And literally there's a hot tub over there which you can't really see if you look at because the camera's at me. There's something over there which is very interesting, like the hot tub's coming over the edge. Yep, so I'm trying to get this video some bloody action, guys. You really can't see what's happening, but I can see perfectly what's happening, but you can probably work out what is happening. Also guys, I do have 11 other channels. If you would like to subscribe to them, they are Josh Looks at Stuff, Josh Looks at Geography, Josh Looks at Physics, Josh Looks at Minecraft, Turboy 420, Shitboy 420, Josh Looks at Channels and Vanara, Casey Bellow, subscribe to Josh Looks at Life as well, JD1165, JD116 Dover, and yeah, so this is very interesting. So it's very windy and it is Saturday, Saturday, and it's about to take over to Sunday, and then we have till Friday so we come back to the UK. So we not really counting this Friday because we do leave the hotel at about 8:30. So Friday we're mainly in Southport. So it will be like a rewind video, but me basically telling you your favourite good things and holiday and the bad things over the last 2 weeks or 10 days so far. And yes, so Tui Blue is the hotel next door, previously formerly known as Family Life. Before that it was the Thompson Hotel. Yeah, so Tui used to be called Thompson until the rebrand happened a few years ago and everything changed to Tui, because TUI stands for Tourism International. Everything's just so windy, like stuff just going everywhere. It's so mad. So we'll try and meet anything up there. Yeah, so I have literally just been told that flights have been cancelled out of Ibiza airport because of crosswinds. Because crosswinds is winds where we're going to cross the runway, or as it planes do a manoeuvre called crabbing. It's where instead of the plane coming this way into the runway, you come in sideways and then you turn off onto the runway. That's crabbing for you, not crabbing for idiots. Yeah, so guys, if you're gonna go on holiday, rock it in the comments. I'm interested where you're going and see if I've been there and I've part of the ones where I have been and stuff. So guys, please comment. I need this stuff to happen. I need a telescope. Yeah, so stuff's just going mano and really can't tell I'm going anywhere. Everything's Look at me, my hand is in the swimming pool. No, I'm in a state. No, don't do that, Josh, you'll get claims. Yeah, so obviously sensitivity is there's adults, so there's no kids activities. It's just stuff like that. You got like Atlantica hotels, which is basically Tui Blue, and you've got like two Magic Clydes, which is also similar to Tui Blue. So it's very repetitive, but there are stuff that aims at different kids. And yeah, so I have been to a Tui Blue, a Family Life, a Thompson Hotel, and holiday villages as well. This is my second time actually at this holiday village, and this is my first ever holiday village hotel back in 2018. And then 20 last year, I did manage to get away and ended up in the holiday village Turkey after breaking the record for the most holidays cancelled in 1 year, guys. Try and break the record. 9 holidays were cancelled last year because of Lorono and beer, the beer company, and they've got a giant thing called an iris. Yeah, so mad stuff's happening, and it is ridiculously foggy now, guys. You really cannot tell. This video is going on for years, and I am literally stood on my balcony doing absolutely sod all because of the storm, and literally you cannot tell what is happening because it's all dark. Because I've got no lights with me, they're all in the UK. Fucking baggage claim. Fucking baggage alarms. Anyway, guys, so we should be back in the UK as soon as you know it. And also, give me a little hello back in the UK, yeah. So, all my channels are in the channel section. And guys, I have thanked so much for 1,000 views. So it took us. Then that means I just need another 3,000 of you to watch my cringy videos, and then I need 1,000 subscribers. So just need to put views done in views, hit a button subscribers, and then I just need the 3,000 more hours. Time to get nice. What?